Addressability with linear TV, with TV programming, it's developing in certain ways. Give us an update on addressability in television.
It is. Well, and you're right in the sense that what we're actually witnessing here is the reinvention of the TV ecosystem. That's what we're seeing, and we're starting to see. Addressability in the linear TV environment has developed well in America. As you know, it's more advanced in America, largely because of the cable infrastructure and the structure of the business over there. SMG were very involved in the technical development between 2006 and 2011. In 2012-13 we went to live trials, and in 2014, as you know, there was an upfront in addressable TV. So addressable TV, it's a market of scale, some $300 million, it's developing well. In Europe, it's a little bit of a different scene. Certain companies are driving faster towards addressable TV. For example, Sky, with their AdSmart approach, which is starting to combine data, household data, with viewing data and audience segments for clients and third-party data. So they're driving it. In Europe, it's a little bit slower. Having said that, in Europe, programmatic TV is actually probably more advanced, and programmatic video is probably more advanced than it is in the UK. So we're seeing a lot of development in the space. When you get addressability right, i.e. you're targeting with relevance, with precision, you're getting uplifts on sales typically against a base test of 20% or more. So if you're selling a dog food and you want to target pet owners, that's clearly the way to go if you can do it. Technically, it takes some doing to do it, but there's a very real upside. For the actual TV businesses, there's a very real upside because it allows them to sell and monetize inventory that otherwise is hard to sell. You know, the 2 minutes in the hour in a cable network, or if you're Sky over in the UK, those 0 rating spots that you just can't monetize. You can monetize them if you can prove that they actually have the right audience in there. And that's what AdSmart is aiming to do.
So you guys are a pretty big media agency. Are the broadcasters listening to you? Do you have to preach to them? Or what? It's a very entrenched, successful business. What has to happen to move this forward?
Well, to move it forward, you know, you're really then talking about how you bring programmatic skill sets to linear TV. And there's some way to go in that space. There's some way to go for commercial reasons, in that sometimes some of those TV stations might be worried about the monetization model, but there's also some technical issues around that. You need a technical platform to be able to deliver addressability, and most TV stations are working on old technical platforms that just don't allow you to do that. So you've got a big technical build as well as a big commercial issue. I think Sky are really making some great steps. They're doing it in a very structured and sensible way. They're not over-promising and then under-delivering. They're moving steadily in that direction. I think we'll see others follow. I thought it was really interesting to see RTL by Spot Exchange. I mean, that's again, and that takes them into that sort of space again and into programmatic. So clearly, they're making progress. They're doing it steadily.